Hey y'all, welcome to day 17 of 100 days of content. My name is Stephanie Corso. I'm CEO at Rogue Water and co-executive director at Rogue Water Lab. Today I wanted to give a special shout out to 12 Midnight, our production team, because today they are celebrating 3 years, I believe, in business. And I want to give them a shout out because I want to talk about something that may be a bit controversial, but working with them, and we are so blessed to have the universe connected us 100%. And I feel blessed every day that we found each other because they have really leveled up our storytelling. They've leveled up how we communicate about ourselves and about what we're doing. And also when we combine those powers with our creative director, Mike Beitler, who also comes with 20 years of experience in advertising and a lifetime experience of being an artist, it has just driven home to me the value and importance of truly investing in the way that we are telling our story. And you are talking to somebody throughout the majority of my career as a communicator at a utility. I was DIYing it. So I was buying the iPad kits and shooting video and figuring out how to use GarageBand and amongst other things. Well, I can't think of the iMovie. I was using Canva. I was doing all the things to make it. And I think that that's totally fine. But I also think that that should be as a means to get things done while we work on building support and getting that budget to hire people who live, eat, and breathe this stuff, because the quality and the story of what you put out is going to increase immensely and going to reach the audience in a way that will resonate with them beyond us just spouting out the facts that we want people to think about. And so I just wanted to give a plug that we are going to be doing a podcast episode with Mike to kind of talk about the things that for non-graphic designers, non-artistic folks, kind of the structure that they bring to our messaging and our storytelling, and the value that comes from having somebody with a different perspective and a different eye look at the way that we are telling our story. So be on the lookout for that. That's going to come out in season 5 of Water in Real Life podcast. But until then, see you tomorrow for another day of content. Bye.